Hey guys, this is a video of how not to make the mistake that I made. This is a Polaris Trailboss 330. The problem I was having was the shifter lever was stuck in reverse. I went ahead and I janked it, tried to push it into first gear or onto drive, and it was still, well, I heard the click, but it was still stuck in reverse. I don't know what it was. I don't know if something in the transmission had broken into pieces inside here, the case. What ended up happening was when I janked the shifter way too hard, I ended up stripping this shifter part that goes into the bell crank. It engages right here on this teeth right here. So if you can see it, it's stripped on the inside. So what was happening was my lever was just moving all the way down, all the way down, all the way forward. Nothing happening. Again, had I pay attention or doing my research, instead of breaking it and stripping it, this right here, it's about $15, $20 depending on where you buy it. You know, plus tax and shipping and handling. Like I said earlier, if I would have done my research, I would have avoided having to buy that part. And really, this is my other Trailboss, by the way. Really, all I needed to do was get up in here and put the light in there. Get up in there. Use a long screwdriver. This is the part that I strip right here. Push right here, either from that end or from this end, ever so slightly with the hammer, just so it dislodges from all the grime and the dirt and the grease that's possibly have been, you know, dried up, and making this part right here get stuck, not wanting to shift either to neutral or forward. See, this one, it goes in and out really easy. See? Problem I was having was stuck in reverse, but this air was coming all the way to the bottom. It will go all the way forward. And like I said, I thought there was something broken inside the tranny. But again, you know, just goes to show you that if you do your proper research before even attempting to, you know, troubleshoot or find out what it is, why, you know, this right here was going all the way down, all the way up. Instead of me breaking that, all I needed to have done was just tap the bell crank shifter or shim that goes right here, either this way or this way, and that would have freed up all the grime, all the dirt, you know, from binding the shifter level. Instead, like I said, I ended up stripping it. If you could see it right here, it's all stripped on the inside. It's aluminum, by the way, so it doesn't take a lot of pressure, a lot of strength to just strip. No, these little gear meshings that go in here. See how I stripped it? What was happening was once you put it here, it would just spin in place. It wouldn't shift or move the gears. Anyways, I ended up spending $20, you know, shipping. Now I'm just waiting for it to get here. I can put it away. Or rather, I can put it back on it, move it, clean my case, clean my chain, lube it up. I just see an oil change on the motor and on the tranny. I clean the carbs too. But again, it just goes to show you that if you do your research, you can avoid having to buy little parts like this for anywhere from $50. I've seen them up to $30 on eBay and Amazon. I got my part from Cycle Parts. It was, I believe it was $18 plus $3 shipping. I could have made it, you know, at a 1/4 inch, you know, flat iron, you know, done this with a file, put it in there. I went with this, with the new one, with the factory one. Because again, if I make it out of metal or iron, it would have been way too stronger, and I probably would have stripped this right here, and it would have ended up costing me even more to replace the forks that this attaches to inside. Not only that, but this part as well. So anyways, don't make the mistake that I made. It cost me $20, $22. You know, I learned from my mistakes, and see you guys on the trail.